Crest White Strips is not a substitute for regular dental care.
Hello boys, men, and sirs. Welcome back to Austin Avenue. Today we are going to be teaching you guys how to get whiter teeth. Why? Because looking good feels good. The expectations of men these days are changing, and also ladies usually like whiter teeth, right, Brian? Kate, can you come in? This is Kate, Brian's wife. Kate, white teeth, yay or nay?
10 out of 10.
Perfect. Thanks, Kate. See you later. Brian, first, who are you and why should we care?
Well, you don't have to care. That's completely up to you. But I am a Crest White Strip enthusiast, which is why you asked me.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored. Just a big fan. Here they are right here, and I'm gonna take you through exactly how to get your teeth whiter in 30 days.
I've had friends who also know Brian, or know of Brian, look at his Instagram and say, wow, I can really tell he must do something to his teeth because of how white they are. The outside world sees Brian's teeth and says, we want those teeth. So let's get right to it. Why did you choose Crest White Strips?
Well, I've been a big Crest user ever since my mom was buying my toothpaste, and once these strips came out, I thought, yes, Crest, what a great brand, and if I can get my teeth whiter in 30 days, I'll have at it. And I've been using them, Austin, for, years, 3, 4 years, 30 at least.
Are you telling me that I can really have just amazing teeth and only use this ever, just at night? I just throw this on and I can throw teeth brushing out the window?
No, you still gotta brush your teeth. This isn't going to prevent against cavities, If you use these and don't brush your teeth, you're gonna end up with a root canal. These are just for basically whitening your teeth. So regular brushing, regular flossing, and one of these once a day.
So not a replacement.
No.
Oh, it does say enamel safe back here. It says removes 5 years of stains from coffee. Great, I actually drank coffee right before I came here. So that's gonna be perfect. Coffee, wine, smoking with a comfortable no-slip whitening experience. Okay, Brian, let's break it in.
Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is open the box. You see this little instruction guide right here. That's basically explaining everything we're gonna tell you. We'll throw that aside because we don't need it. You'll pull out one of these, okay? It comes in a package like this. Inside of this package are 2 strips, one for the top, one for the bottom.
I've never used Crest White Strips before. In fact, I don't really, besides brushing my teeth, I don't do anything to whiten them at all. So this will be a brand new experience.
It's time that changes, Austin. As I told you, it comes with 2 strips. You have this smaller one here, which is the strip that goes on the bottom, and you've got this longer one here, which is what goes on the top. What we're gonna do, Austin, is we're going to pull this off very gently.
Looks like tape.
It's a strip, and on the side that I'm peeling off, okay, you see that? That is where the whitening gel is, so you have to be kind of very careful. We're gonna start with your bottom, okay? Open your mouth, and we're gonna place this right here. Sorry, I'm not wearing gloves. You wanna use about half the strip, and you want to smooth it out right here on the bottom. Find your longest nail, and you want to poke in between the teeth so we can really secure that strip inside of your mouth. Gently fold the strip over, just like that, and smooth it out. How does that feel?
It feels like there's tape on my teeth.
Little bit. And you can kind of taste the gel, not to worry. It doesn't taste really that bad. But you will notice a little bit of a difference. If it gets overwhelming, you can drink water, but any other liquids, you shouldn't drink while you have these on. Let's do the top one, okay?
Yeah, it feels secure.
It is. That's kind of one of the best parts about Crest White Strips is they stay on your teeth. You can go about your regular day, talking, again, drinking water, whatever you need to do, and they stay really firmly on there. Big smile. Pull those lips up, and it's not as awkward as this when you do it on yourself. If you're doing partner white strips, a little awkwardness is to be expected. The same thing in between each of your teeth to really secure it. That's it. Are they on there?
They're on. I still don't taste any gel.
Give it a couple minutes. Don't worry, it's non-toxic. It just, for some people, it's a little gross.
Okay.
But it's not that bad.
Oh. There's a little bit of the gel, but not a bad taste.
Something you can do if the strip is starting to slide a little for whatever reason, you can.
Oh yeah.
You can kind of suck in a little bit, suck some air into your mouth, and that should secure it right on your teeth.
How long do I leave these on?
30 minutes.
Oh, 30 minutes.
So all we're gonna do is leave those on for 30 minutes, go about your regular business, And then we're gonna remove them, which is very easy, and we're gonna see what sort of progress you've made.
Great.
Come at it, and then rip it off.
Okay, welcome back. We're 30 minutes in. This is a little scary for me. We're gonna take off the Crest White Strips.
Yes, and while we were off camera, I put some on as well, just to demonstrate how easy it is to pull them off. So the top one, you're gonna come at it from an angle, like this, and you're just gonna gently peel it off.
Oh,
Got it?
Oh, no.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Don't be afraid of it.
I don't want it to tear. Is it gonna tear?
No, you're good.
There it is. My teeth are still in there.
It's not like a Biore pore strip.
I was hoping I was gonna see the coffee and the wine just right there. Oh yeah.
There we go. Looks good. Nice and clean here. Unlike your mom, spit out your gum.
Thanks, Mom.
So let's look. How do they feel? They feel smooth.
It feels smooth. It feels a little gummy.
Typical. Again, that's easily taken away with a swig of water or good old-fashioned saliva.
Okay, I'm gonna get a swig of water. I think does it look whiter?
Yeah. Yes, each package comes with 10 treatments. So if we want to do 30 days, we'll have to buy 3 of these boxes. They retail for about $25.
Well, that's not so bad.
Not so bad. You don't have to do it every single day. You'll notice a difference if you do one every 3 to 4 days.
Perfect. You can make those suckers last.
Oh yeah.
Kind of like my contacts. I wear the same, month-long contacts for 6 months. Not recommended, but. All right, thank you, Bryan, for being here. Thank you for joining us on Austin Avenue. I hope you found that helpful. Remember, stay studly, my guys. Until next time.